a little bit dirty. Well, don't just stand there, say nice things to me. Well, I've been cheated, I've been wrong, and you don't owe me, and I can't change no more. Well, I won't do anything at all. I wanna push you around, man, I will, yeah, I will. I wanna push you down, man, I will, yeah, I will. I wanna take you for granted. I wanna take you for granted. I will. Wait, don't bowl me over. Just wait, man, what a colorful apart, yeah. Things get so crazy, crazy. Don't rush this, baby. Don't rush this, baby. I wanna push you around, man, I will, yeah, I will. I wanna push you down, man, I will, yeah, I will. I wanna take you for granted. I wanna take you for granted. I will. I will.
Very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. I have a question, Richard.
Ano ba?
If you'll be given the chance to kiss a girl sa cheek, sinong pipiliin mo dun sa mga yon?
Siguraduhin mo lang na lang sasabunot sa'yo, bababa.
Lahat sila.
Oo, ano yan kayo? Isa lang.
Isa lang
Just
lang.
one, just one.
Di pwede po kasi.
Sige.
Bakit
ka.
hindi po pwede?
Hindi pwede?
Meron na ba?
Oh, may girlfriend siya.
Ay, taken na siya.
Jokes lang, jokes lang.
Taken.
Eh, taken for granted. Paano?
Jokes lang.
Ay,
Oh,
joke
one na
lang.
lang. Pwede pumili ka isa?
Hindi po eh.
Hindi lang pwede. Oh, isa lang daw.
O, sila na lang daw, may mga asawa na
Choose
sila.
one.
May bayad po yun sa...
May bayad.